3, 2, 1.
How many researchers were involved in the Polar Year International Census? The answer is D, 500. A man does a backflip to avoid being hit by the ball. We see the man's backflip 2 more times in slow motion. The video, what happens next? The answer is A, returns to normal speed. What is the narrator's vocation? The answer is C, they are a teacher. What may have happened before wandering off? The answer is C, I was sitting on the couch. What state may I be currently living? The answer is C, Texas. How do you give rolls a nice brown crisp dough? How would you do this? The answer is A, after baking, lightly brush butter on them. The woman pulls on the machine a 3rd time. The woman pulls on the machine a 4th time. The woman, what happens next? The answer is B, pulls on the machine a 5th time. Keep bugs away from garden. How would you do this? The answer is A, sprinkle tea bags around garden. What might I wish was there to eat? The answer is D, a banana. What sport is being played? The answer is A, Quidditch. How many multiples of 4 are there between 21 and 39? The answer is C, 4. In what year did Indira Gandhi become Prime Minister of India? The answer is C, 1966. In what year was Charleston, North Carolina founded? The answer is C, 1685. Remove ink stain from shirt. How would you do this? The answer is A, spray stain with ant spray and blot with cloth. What version of the PlayStation was released at the end of 2007? The answer is D, 3. In what year did Fleming settle with Macquarie? The answer is D, 1963. How many Quake Lakes formed? The answer is C, 34. How many major highways cross through Oklahoma City? The answer is B, 3. How many dates did the Mrs. Carter Show World Tour have? The answer is D, 132. In what year did Poland attain sovereignty over the Duchy of Prussia? The answer is B. 1618. When was the First Council of Nicaea held? The answer is C. 325. When did France sell Oklahoma's land to the U.S.? The answer is D. 1803. What percentage of private school students go to Lutheran schools? The answer is A. 61. Is he a jerk because that's just who he is? The answer is C. I gave him some reasons too. When was the first satellite of the third generation launched? The answer is A. 2007. Two women are riding in a car. The passenger is talking to the camera. They are demonstrating dance moves. The driver. What happens next? The answer is C. Is talking to the camera. How many destinations does the airport offer internationally? The answer is B. 35. What may be the reason people would go on a trip if they were sick? The answer is D. They cut and get a refund. In what year was the International Court of Justice established? The answer is B. 1971. What may happen after the birthday? The answer is D. I will give birth to my first child. When did the U.S. Department of Transportation name IAH as fastest growing of U.S. airports? The answer is B. 2006. What year did the European country invade Iraq? The answer is A. 2003. Which of the following structures is derived from ectom senchine? The answer is C. Melanocytes. What type of student might the narrator be? The answer is D. Very intelligent and efficient. What was I expecting? The answer is A. I wanted a call from Winterlian. In what year did Melbourne resign? The answer is C. 1839. Why did she want to lose weight? The answer is B. She blamed being fat on something that happened. What year did season 9 of American Idol first air? The answer is C. 2010. When did the palace become the London residence for the monarchs? The answer is D, 1837. How to get a kid to stop sucking his thumbs. How would you do this? The answer is A, wrap a bandage around each of his thumbs. How do you forge someone's signature? How would you do this? The answer is A, sign in their name. What will the narrator buy at the store? The answer is C, they will buy non-GMO food. When was the Parental Leave Directive created? The answer is B, 1996. In what city would you find people studying art and design at the Fashion Institute of Technology? The answer is B, New York. What year did the Rugby Football Union form? The answer is D, 1871. What may have caused you to get nervous at the APS machine? The answer is B, I was taking a long time. A bare concrete floor is shown. Flooring tools are displayed on a table. A man with a broom and dustpan. What happens next? The answer is D, is cleaning the floor. How many grooves are on one side of an LP record? The answer is B, 1. Why is it inefficient to run vehicles without back loads? The answer is D, there is no return load on the semi-truck. When did Travel Plus Leisure list Yale as one of the most beautiful campuses?